Well, coming up tomorrow is the Healthy Brain Expo, and with us today from Wellness in the Woods, we have Leslie Coretti, and always good to see you.
Yes, Ken.
Welcome back.
Thanks for having me.
And we see Leslie a lot on
Yes.
various programs. But today we're talking about what's going on tomorrow over at Clubhouse 2.
Yes. I mean, we're pretty excited about it because, first of all, we have free lunch that's being provided by Las Palmas and the Wellington.
Oh, very nice.
So there's no fee to come.
That's great.
It's free to the whole community, but only the first couple hundred people are going to get free lunch because we don't know how many people are coming.
Okay.
As we did not require an RSVP this time. We said it was appreciated, but
Right.
that was not probably the best thing to do. So, first come, first served is going to be the name of the game.
So it happens tomorrow at 9:30 to 12:30, and you have several folks that are presenting different topics.
Yes. Well, we'll actually open the doors at 9 for registration because I think they're going to be giving away, bags and little passports for them to go around and talk to the different exhibitors.
Okay.
I think we're going to have about 20 exhibitors.
Very good.
Basically, if you complete your passport, you enter into a grand raffle, which is also free, no cost, and we've got prizes from free gift cards from Sprouts, who just opened up.
That's right. They just
opened, and so I went and knocked on the door and said, "Would you please?" And they gave us a couple, and so we're really excited. There'll be a lot of gifts and baskets for people to win. As long as they finish their passport, they automatically get in the drawing.
Very good.
Yeah.
Now the presentations, this is going to be up on differently, like on a stage, or they have to go over and listen to these. You have somebody talking about scams and healthy or gum health affects brain health. Superfoods and depression. Yes. So they will be coming up like on a
there's like a little stage that they, Clubhouse 2. They have one how it kind of goes at an angle.
Yeah.
So at one part of the room we'll have the speakers, and they will be, like the first speaker starts at 9:40.
Okay. All right.
And catch up, Matthew.
Yes.
is going to be talking about scams and how you can avoid different things. I mean, he's an attorney, but you know what? Even my son gave me a tip.
What's that?
The other day. When you get a call and you know it's a scam, because nobody says hello to you, press 9, and if that doesn't work, press 2, and then all of a sudden they say, goodbye. Right in the middle of their sentence.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's really cool. My son taught me that this week.
I
told him what we were doing, and he says, "Oh, Mom, you do this." So that was really cool. Then at 10:30, I'm really excited about this one because Dr. Michael Cooley is going to be talking about your hygiene and your gums and how that affects dementia. So I'm just like, whoa, who knew?
Yeah, that'll be an interesting one.
That should be an interesting one. And then at 11:20, superfoods and supplements, and Dr. Narisha will be talking about that. And then at 12 o'clock, depression and brain health.
Yeah.
And that's going to be an extraordinary Dr. Jane. She travels all over the world speaking.
That'll be an interesting one.
So that will also be, because she'll also talk about if you are diagnosed with something, what do you do next?
Yeah.
Because a lot of people, they get it and then it's like, and they just are paralyzed.
Yeah.
So that's going to be also a really great opportunity.
Yeah, that'll be really good.
To get information that we might not otherwise even think about.
Right. Yeah. And again, this is free, so just show up for this. But if you get there early, then you get on the list for lunch.
Yes. The other thing, too, is they are doing free memory checkups all day long.
Okay.
So people can just sign up for that at random and get it done right there on the spot.
That'll be good.
That'll be great.
And you have a lot of vendors there from just different areas?
Yes, they're healthcare providers of different sorts. And like home care or assisted care or you know, people who actually help you in rehab.
Yeah,
you know,
therapy and
all,
things like
all
that.
therapy,
Okay.
all those type of things like that. Anything that can help seniors.
Okay, and this is the last one you're doing this year, right? For this Healthy Brain?
Yes,
right? Okay.
yes. This is the last event that we're going to do in regards to Wellness in the Woods.
Okay.
And so we won't start our health fairs again until next year, probably February or March of next year. So yeah, this is our last main event, and it is Healthy Brain Month according to, you know, it's like a national
Yeah.
thing. And
It is.
there's only one other thing that we're doing that people are a little bit scared about.
What's that?
We're doing a virtual reality tour of dementia.
All right, now what's that all about?
Oh my God, it is so exciting, Ken. They have you put on goggles, they have you put on something on your ears, they have you put on gloves, and they have you put something in your shoes, and then they take you to these different stations, you know, kind of like you're at home and you're trying to do things and get things done, and it gives you a clear idea of what it's like for a loved one or someone that you may know that really has dementia. So it's a virtual reality tour of dementia.
Who's doing that?
There's a company that just specializes in doing that. And a lot of times they do it for continuing education for caregivers, you know, because people need to know. And it's really fun. I mean, I'm really good at doing a lot of things.
Yes.
I did the tour last year, which was our first time. I failed in some of the areas. It was like crazy. You know,
that'll be interesting.
I couldn't even get like a zipper of a jacket done. And then I was like, oh shoot, let me just get another jacket. This jacket doesn't work.
Yeah.
And I tried another one, and that one I was just actually having a hard time doing a simple thing.
But it gives you a feel of what people go through.
Yeah, exactly.
One more thing you wanted to quickly talk about, your Thanksgiving.
Oh yes,
potluck, is it?
It's a Thanksgiving potluck. We've been doing this for about 8 years, and it's going to be at Clubhouse 7 next weekend.
Okay.
Yeah, so, you know, bring a dish, $5, and we are going to have a turkey cook-off between myself and Jonah, who helps out at the our Wellness in the Woods every single month.
Okay.
She cooks for us.
That'll be fun.
So she's doing a 25-pound turkey, and I'm doing a 25-pound turkey, and we're going to see, you know, who does the best one.
Big turkeys.
Yes. Well, usually we have a good 90 people come, so, you know, we want to make sure that everyone has enough food to really enjoy, and we just spend a couple hours just eating.
Yeah, that sounds good. All right, so this is tomorrow, Healthy Brain Expo, Clubhouse 2. You can register at 9 o'clock, and then the event goes from 9:30 to 12:30.
That's right.
All right, you take care.
Thanks.
We'll see you next time.
Ken. Okay, ciao.
We'll be right back.